रोलिंग अपने घुटनों पर चलने लगे और चलते चलते अपने दरवाजे तक पहुंच जाते और वहां से किसी बैल या कुत्ते को देकर के वहां से डर के मारे पीछे जल करके दौड़ करके और मैया की गोदी में आ जाते, मानो वो डर गए हैं। हिरण्यकश्यप से लड़ते समय उनको डर नहीं हुआ, रावण से लड़ते भी उनको डर नहीं हुआ, विश्व ब्रह्मांड को अपने दांतों पर उठाते हुए बढ़ाते हुए किसी का डर नहीं हुआ। और आज एक कुत्ते को या बैल को किसी को दे करके डर के मारे दौड़ करके जाते हैं, फिर लौट करके चले आते। इस तरह से बाल लीलाएं होने लगी। कुछ दिनों के बाद में कृष्ण और बड़े हो गए, अब वो घर के बाहर भी अब जाने लगे और उनको संभालना बड़ा भारी कठिन हो गया, बहुत कठिन। नाउ कृष्ण हैज बिकम मोर aged and he began to come out of courtyard and he wanted to cross the gate of Nanda Baba. Now Ramani and Jasoda were very वो बहुत घबरा जाती मैंने क्या और वरी हो जाती। They became so much worried for Krishna. It was very hard to control Krishna and Baldev Prabhu. Sometimes Gopies used to come to see Krishna. कृष्ण को देखने के लिए आती और उस समय में कृष्ण और बलदेव खड़े रहते या कृष्ण खड़े रहते। एक दिन यशोदा मैया ने देखा, जबकि वो देव पूजन करने के लिए जा रही थी, उन्होंने देखा कि हमारा बच्चा अब खड़ा होने लगा है और मुख से कुछ स्वर निकाल रहा है और यहाँ पैर रख करके और इस तरह से स्वर का कुछ आवाज कर रहा है और अपने दोनों पैरों से थोड़ा सा सिर्फ करके नृत्य कर रहा है। One day Jasoda was going to worship the deity of Narayan, taking something in her hands, and he was going. But in the way he saw that under a tamal tree in the courtyard, Nandanandan was singing something. Though he was naked and very little, but he was doing gun like anything, and he was dancing very sweet. Jasoda forget everything. Jasoda सब कुछ भूल गई और वहीं पर लेकर के बहुत देर तक खड़ी रह गई, देखती रह गई। He saw for some time and he at once went to Nand Baba. This boy dances so sweet and sings so sweet. बहुत ही मधुर रूप से गाता है। अब गोपियों को भी मालूम पड़ गया। All the gopis knew of this fact. They used to come to see their dance and to hear the Krishna song. They used to tell, "Oh Krishna, I will give a laddu, I will give you so much butter. You should dance." Krishna used to dance so sweet, taking that. Sometimes, कभी-कभी गोपियां आ जाती, कहती कि कृष्ण बलवान है अधिक, और कोई कहती कि बलदेव बड़ा बलवान। Sometimes gopis, being in two parties, they used to tell that Krishna is more stronger, and some are telling that oh no, Baldev is more stronger, and they used to inspire Krishna and Baldev to fight, wrestle each other. That they used to do like this, like Bhagwan, like this, and he used to wrestle among themselves. Sometimes Krishna defeated Baldev, Baldev sometimes defeated Krishna, and all आनंद से भर जाते। इस प्रकार से कृष्ण आनंद। Now he became more vigor. अब वो और भी बड़े हो गए और अपनी और भी मधुर लीलाओं से अपने घोष के, अपने गांव, अपने घर गांव के, नंद गांव के या गोकुल के समस्त गोकुल वासियों को आनंद समुद्र में निमज्जित करने लगे। कैसे, किस प्रकार से? श्रीमद् भागवत में इसका वर्णन किया गया है। It is told in Srimad Bhagavatam. Krishna became some figure and Balram. Some gopis or Jashoda Maiya is telling to Krishna, my dear son, can you bring that wooden seat? पीढ़ा ला सकते हो? Krishna happily dancing, he used to go to bring that. उसको लाने के लिए जाते हैं और जब उठाते हैं he wanted to lift it but he could not, and then he began to weep. Maya at once came and took him in her lap and began to satisfy Krishna. He can easily take whole world, universe in his finger, but he could not do that. Sometimes mother tells, can you bring the sandal of, wooden sandal of Nanda Baba, your father? Oh, Krishna happily running goes and takes these two sandals on his head and dancing is coming to mother and gives it to mother. इस प्रकार से बहुत सी लीलाएं करते हैं कृष्णचंद्र जी। कभी कभी अब बड़े हो गए। Now we don't know who taught Krishna to steal butter and mystery. Now so many friends are there. बलदेव प्रभु जी के अतिरिक्त दाम सिदाम मधुमंगल उज्ज्वल, so many friends were there. Now he goes sometimes to the houses of gopis. Who are that gopis? Not ordinary any gopi. वो साधारण गोपियां नहीं हैं। वो कौन है? या तो कृष्ण की ब्रज की कृष्ण की परिकर हैं ये गोपियां, साधारण नहीं। We cannot tell them that they are mukta ji, liberated soul. They were not liberated soul of. It may be some, but all were the associates, eternal associate of. Like the car Vyuha. So Krishna used to go to their houses, and somehow he used to store butter there. Sometimes कृष्ण used to tell अपने सखाओं में उस घर की मैया का जो बेटा है उससे कहता, जाओ ये बछड़े को खोल दो, और बछड़ा जब कि गैया का दूध पीने लगे तो तू अपने मैया से जाकर के कहते, मैया बछड़ा दूध पी रहा है, तो तुम्हारी मैया जब जाएगी उधर हम लोग जाकर के मक्खन खाएंगे। हिंदी सबे क्या होगा?
Sometimes Krishna used to ask the son of that lady in whose house they were planning to go and steal the butter, that go and untie the calf of the cow, so that when the calf will run towards her mother, at that time you go and tell your mother, oh mother, look, calf is going there, and mother will go and house will be empty, then we will go and enter into the house and steal the butter.
Sometimes कृष्ण went to a gopi house. कभी कृष्ण गोपियों के घर में गया और अपना हाथ डुबा करके मक्खन लिया, कुछ खाया, मुख में भी लग गया, और इतने में गोपी आई और कृष्ण को रंगे हाथों में पकड़ लिया। Once Krishna entered with his whole sakhas in a gopi's house, and he gave his hand in the pot of that makhan, and he was taking in his mouth, and at the same time he was caught red-handed. Gopi told, why you are tipping? Then Krishna told, I thought that this house is mine, and you are my mother. I never thought that you are not my mother, and this house is not mine, it is others. So I was taking, hearing this, the gopi became so happy and she began to laugh and Krishna played away. Sometimes, कभी-कभी गोपी कृष्ण को पकड़ लेती और जसोदा मैया के यहाँ उसे पकड़ करके लाती. Sometimes any gopi caught Krishna and she was bringing to Jasoda in some darkness in dawn, morning. When she came to Jasoda and calling his mom, Sakhi Jasoda, I have caught your son who was stolen in my home, and you don't believe this. So I have caught red-handed and I have brought him to you, and you should see that your boy is so naughty that he is going and stealing everywhere. When Jasoda Maiya came and told her, where is my boy? My boy is sleeping there. Who is here? When he took the cloth from his mouth, she saw that his own son has been caught by her mother, his mother, and Jasoda told, oh, why? Krishna in the meantime came weeping and told that, oh mother, they tell lie, ये झूठ बोलते हैं. अब आज से मैं जरूर जाऊंगा उनके घरों में चोरी कर. From today I will surely go to them and I will steal butter and mocker and everything. So, Tadiyesi, why he was doing? Naturally he was doing. He was not acting like in drama play, we play like this. No. By the Jog Maya he has forgotten his Bhagavatta and everything. And naturally he is doing. By these leelas, he is showing to Tattvavida, Jnani Bhakta or Jnani, that only by Bhakti, pure Bhakti, love and affection, I can be controlled, otherwise never I will be controlled. इसलिए भक्ति कृष्ण के प्रति भक्ति हो. कैसे भक्ति होगी? यदि लीला कथाओं के श्रवण से यदि थोड़ी सी भी हमारी रुचि हो गई या इच्छा हो गई, मैं भी कृष्ण की जसोदा मैया की भांति मैया बनकर के सेवा करूंगा, ये यदि किसी प्रकार की लालसा तनिक भी हृदय में आ गई, आभास के रूप में भी आ जाएगी, तो भगवान और भक्त की कृपा होगी और उसमें सहजी रूप में उसमें प्रवेश हो जाएगा. अदरवाइज it will be never like that. If anyone has greed by hearing all these sweet pastimes, but very powerful, if anyone hear with Shraddha, honor, and a taste is coming that, oh, how can I be like Mother Jasoda? Krishna should be my son. And I will taste all this, I will serve Krishna like Jasoda if this greed comes. Or I want to serve like Dam, Siddham, Sudam, Vasudam, Sto, Krishna, Lavanga, Arjun, Subal, Siddham. This greed comes. Or a greed, very little greed comes that I want to serve Krishna like Gopis. If this greed comes at once, by the Krishna mercy and by the unconditional, causeless mercy of Krishna on his devotee, Krishna will arrange him and he will gallop from Shraddha to Ruchi, and from there the Raganuga sadhan bhajan. बहुत सहज रूप में ऐसा हो सकता है यदि लीला कथाओं का खूब आदर के साथ में श्रवण करें तो हो सकता है. यदि किसी प्रकार से वैसी तो लीला कथाओं के श्रवण से अवश्य ही होगा. चैतन्य महाप्रभु जी की प्रेममयी महाअवतारमयी लीलाओं का यदि कोई श्रवण करता है, if anyone hears the pastimes of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what he felt in his separation vow, the विशेष करके उनकी करुणामयी लीलाओं का, औदार्यमयी लीलाओं का if anyone doing hearing, I think that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy will be sprinkled on him. And anyhow, very easily he can enter in the pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and gradually he will come to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Radha and Krishna pastime. Today we are finishing our class.